Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 12, 1 or later, and is unlocked if you plan to change carriers. Once done, have the carrier QR or activation info ready because you'll need it during setup. Now open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where Esim lives. You're taking control early so the rest goes smoothly. These first steps minimize interruptions and ensure the phone accepts the Esim profile when you add it. Now tap Add Cellular Plan to install the Esim profile. You can scan the carrier QR code, point your camera and follow prompts, or choose Enter Details manually and type the SMDP plus address and activation code. Once the profile downloads, label it so you recognize it later and assign it as primary or secondary for calls and data. Make sure to select which plan handles cellular data versus voice. This prevents accidental roaming charges and keeps your billing clear. Finish by activating and verifying the new Esim. After installation, toggle the plan on and off or restart your iPhone if it appears pending. That often forces completion. Then test a call, send an SMS, and use cellular data to confirm service. If issues persist, switch which plan is used for data and retry. If activation still fails or the profile won't download, contact your carrier. They can reissue activation information or push the profile from their system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.